Well, here's a new one for you. I've never seen this one. This is a brand new Meta spam email that came through today that I have not seen in the past. Be warned. Okay, I do have in this community, in the classroom, some spam, anti-spam things you can do to stop the spammers and the scammers from messaging you and all that other stuff. And doing those things is going to really help stop all this junk. Now, I will tell you, they still sometimes come through just like this, but I want to show you this one because this is a brand new one for me and I think it's funny. But I don't think it's funny when my clients get emails like this and they click on them, and then it's a big problem. So Claire from Meta sent you payment issues to fix. Now, the first thing you always do is you look at the who it is from address. Now, if I look over here and I copy this address and where can I paste it? I'm looking for somewhere to paste this thing. Hold on a second. Okay, so I'm going to paste it right here. That's what the email address looks like. So if you can't see it, I'm going to blow it up. This is not an official email from Facebook. So right there tells me this is spam. Totally spam. But look at, there's so many flags in here besides that. One is this jumbled up, disgusting top part here. Facebook would also not link this to get your payment fixed. But like, this is a disaster. And also this PandaDoc thing, open the document via PandaDoc. And then there's a token in here, right here. So basically you click on that, you're going to lose your access to your Facebook. It's going to steal your security tokens. So really bad people, and they should rot in hell. But they also put an urgency, your ads are paused until your credit card is confirmed. But I can tell you what, they're not paused. So if I go over here and I run this and I refresh my screen, these are all actively running. So when you also see these types of threats, go look at your account. Very important. It'll tell you if your ads are paused or off, okay, because of a credit card issue. But I just wanted to show you this. This is a new one. Got to fix your payment. Oh, by the way, click our link and we'll help you. Yeah, as we steal your Facebook logins. So anyways, little heads up for today. Just wanted to share this with you to keep you safe on Facebook and, of course, Instagram as well.